Thank you very much, Mark. You know, the weather forecast is looking good, but not just that. Locally around town, the real estate market, as far as its forecast, is looking good too. We're talking about a buyer's market. Sitting with me right now, Josh Lautenberg of Sun & Alp Real Estate is here to let us know how things are really looking. And according to what you and I have been talking off camera, basically the marketplace is improving, and it's and that's a very good sign for the first stages.
It is a good sign. I mean, I think we have a multi-stage recovery ahead of us. I certainly wouldn't announce that prices are starting to go up just yet. I think that'll be a couple of years out. But what we're seeing is inventory diminishing back to numbers we saw in 2005 to 2007. Whereas 2 years ago, we had a huge amount of inventory. We had a lot of excess in different neighborhoods. You could drive down the street and see 15 or 20 yard signs for sale signs in Singletree or Homestead. That's not happening anymore. Those signs are gone. Maybe you have one property on a street. Maybe you have to drive a few blocks before you see any signs at all. And we're seeing properties sit on the market a much shorter period of time. We're seeing properties sell at full price. We're seeing bidding wars. I had a listing in Vail, for example, that went in 11 hours with 3 offers and 15 showings. There was a line out the door trying to get into this property.
This sounds like activity to me and to the viewers at home watching. And for those that are saying, I'm waiting myself to pull the trigger on that second home, now's the time.
Now's the time, especially since there's less selection. If those folks started looking 2-3 years ago, they could find 7 properties that might fit their criteria. Now, if they're looking, they might find 1 or 2, which is more typical of our market. So I think it's time to look now as prices are at the bottom. They're probably not going to go back up for a little while, but you've got great interest rates if you're going to borrow. Prices at the bottom, but selection is starting to diminish. So I think even in Vail Village, it's a great time to look and look at some of those opportunities that you might have thought were out of reach a few years ago. Now they're closer.
Okay, so you have Vail Village. You can find properties there right now, but limited. Beaver Creek as well, perhaps. Cordillera, you mentioned that. Singletree, but not limited with Sun & Alp Real Estate as far as buying is concerned. But you are also booking for vacations, and this is a good time to do that too.
We do. We book vacation rentals. Actually, we're a multifaceted company. For being a small company of 14 brokers, we do have a separate division for property rentals. And with that division, you can go on our brand new website, which is rentalpropertiesavail.com, and in 3 clicks, you can book your vacation rental. And you can also go through that site to contact Karin in our office for long-term rentals, but we primarily specialize in the vacation in properties in the villages.
And we can do that through your website, which is up right now, really simple to navigate through. And I imagine there you can notice some of the available properties there, but certainly have the phone in hand and make that appointment, because as you're saying, it's a buyer's market and things are moving.
That's right. We just actually had this website developed by a local company. It's really almost like the Travelocity or Orbitz.com of booking rental properties in the Vail Valley. So it's very easy to use. 3 clicks. You can see the date table on the side there, and all our properties are listed, and that's the best place to find it. And we're finding properties are booking up quickly now because it's starting to snow and the mountains starting to open up a little bit more. So we're sort of running out of time to do that too.
So I imagine you could find some ski in, ski out properties if you're looking to purchase, as well as vacation rental properties, because people are looking for some of those conveniences.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I mean, you can in any price range, whatever works best for you and your family. Certainly, you can be ski in, ski out. We have that inventory. If you want to be a little further from town and save a little bit of money, and you don't mind driving in or taking the bus or a shuttle, we have that inventory as well. So we really have a whole spectrum of things available for people.
It is a magical place living here. I can vouch for that, and you too. We've been here for a good number of years, but a lot of folks that live in the valley that already own as a second home, or if it's their initial home, your Sun & Alp Real Estate, you also do property management.
We do. We actually just partnered about a month ago with Sanctuary Property Management, and there's 2 gentlemen there that run a very successful property management company overseeing about 30 to 35 properties. That number of clients is growing very quickly on a daily basis. So we offer real estate, property rental, and also property management, because we want to offer all the options for our clients who are out of town and don't always get to visit. We want to make sure, that they know that their property is well taken care of, that it's rented if they'd like, that the car is started, that the groceries are there, that the refrigerator isn't leaking, all those things. Those are what we offer.
Thank you very much, Josh. So basically, it's very convenient. Sun & Alp Real Estate, they are your property management. It's also the marketplace if you're looking to purchase a home. And you can book your vacation rentals. Give them a call, 970-390-4127, and just take care of that now, because the snow is looking really good. You're watching Good Morning Vail, and we're going to tell you what else is happening on the show exactly tomorrow.